Kanina.
Hindi ko nakita, ate.
Today is March 25, 2024. 2 days after the 6th month of Baby Princess.
Ala, you're smiling. You like the food. Ayos.
Malunggay, apple, pumpkin, and milk. Yay! Yay! Oh!
Mami, yung ilong, mami, parang nalagyan na, mami.
Yay! Oh!
Yep. More pa, more.
More? More? Yay!
More.
Ah! Oh, yay!
Yay!
More!
More.
Mm.
Ay, lami kayong kaod.
Ah!
Yummy! Very, very, very. Yeah! Oh! Dikilig! Kinilig ang baby na. Nakikita mo yung sarili mo sa camera.
Yay!
You see yourself on the camera?
You like malunggay? Wow!
You like, you like vegetables. Yay! Like mama.
Yay! Yay! Yay!
It's part of eating. Now, nagka-murising.
Yay!
Wow! Kikilig! Kinilig ang mimi. Yummy!
Malunggay, pumpkin, apple, and milk. Yay!
Gusto niyo, Tino?
Yay!
Nakailang kutsara ka na. Yay! You like to eat apples and bananas. Wala palang bananas. You like to eat apples and malunggay. Nagbago yung ng kanta. You like to eat apples and malunggay.